I'm gonna do it again. Sorry, bro.
Guys, I've got this really nice, stunning 2-bedroom,
Go again. Sorry.
low maintenance backyard. Literally zero maintenance on this one. Located right behind is the reserve, and something like this is very rare to find in Minto. It's within 5 minutes walk to Minto station. Kitchen is completely renovated as well. Tile throughout. Got Venetian shutters up there. I'll take you upstairs. It has been very cleanly kept by the current owners. Floorboards, downlights. That's the bathroom here. Bedrooms upstairs. Great views as well. That's another bedroom. Venetian shutters. That's the study, home office, whatever you call it. Beautifully done. So if you're looking for something like that, give me a call. I'll take you through.